Jenny from Origami Tree, bringing you free crafty fun all year round. And today we'll be learning how to make a paper globe. The globe is a dodecahedron which has 12 faces and 20 vertices. There's a cute little face on it, and it's a fun craft for both kids and adults alike. Plus, I just like looking at them. But before we begin, I wanted to thank Ecopeco for sponsoring this video. They create double-sided self-healing mats in a variety of sizes and beautiful colors, are BPA and PVC free, making it safe for kids and also the environment. But before we begin, be sure you subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. Without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the paper globe, first you have to print out the template in the video description. The one on the left has a smile on it and the one on the right does not. You also need an X-Acto knife, a ruler to help you cut straight edges, some glue stick, and of course a cutting mat to protect your table surface. I will be using the jade green Ecopeco one. So I'm going to start off with the first page of the template, which is the one with the smile on it. Just align your ruler along the outline of the entire template, and then you're just going to use your X-Acto knife and carefully cut along the outline. So now you're just going to carefully go around the entire template and cut the whole thing out. Then repeat the same thing with the second page of the template. So now that we have the two pieces cut out, we're going to start assembling the globe. But before we do that, we have to create our creases. So I'm going to take this first page, which has a smile on it, and everywhere where I see a line, I'm going to create a mountain fold. And what a mountain fold is a fold that folds away from you. So notice how I am folding along that horizontal line away from me. So then I'm just going to go around and do that with all of the lines. And once I've done all of the lines, I'm going to start working on the tabs. And the tabs are indicated in white with a red dot on it, which is where glue is going to go. And now that I've folded everything for the first piece, I'm going to move on to the second piece and basically do the exact same thing. So now that I have both pieces completed, I'm going to assemble them together to create one larger piece, which is going to make the entire thing easier to assemble. So now you're going to align the two pieces right at this point. See how they fit together like a puzzle? You're going to put it against your cutting mat to create a nice seal. Now assembling the dodecahedron is actually quite simple. You're just going to dab a little bit of glue right at this area over here, and then you're going to swivel that tab on the right over that spot. Give it a little squeeze, and then you have that. Now we're just going to go around and glue the rest of the faces to their adjacent tabs. Now everything should just fall into place. They should be pretty obvious where they go because they're right next to each other. But if you get lost or anything, you can always rewind this video and hopefully figure it out. And once you've gone around and glued all of your tabs to their adjacent sides, your paper globe or dodecahedron is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have fun making that paper globe. If you'd like to see more crafty fun videos like this, be sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. Thanks again to Ecopeco for sponsoring this video. Go check out some of their cutting mats. They come in a variety of sizes and beautiful colors. I'll leave some links in the video description down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!